Today we have a new topic which is known as function. In this chapter we will get a question of 6 marks in CBSE examination. So here is some important function which we have to read in class 12. First is definition of function and its example. Second is one-one function and which is also called injective function. Fourth is your many-one function. Fifth is onto function and which is also known as surjective function. And last is your one-one and onto function which is called bijective function. So first I am going to define you what is the definition of function. So watch here. A relation R from a set A to set B is said to be a function. Said to be a function if for each element of A there is one and only one image in B. It is written as f such that A tends to B and B dash f is a function from A to B. See the definition. A relation R, function is nothing. It is also a relation in which all elements of set A has only one image in B. सेट A के सारे एलिमेंट्स के लिए एक और केवल एक इमेज B में होना चाहिए. See here the example. Here is a set A and its element is 1, 2, 3. Here is another set B and its element is A, B, C and D. So for each element of A, suppose by a rule F, 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C. So its element will be 1A, 2B, 3C. So what are you seeing here? Each element of A के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के लिए B में एक और केवल एक ही इमेज है. A के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के लिए B में केवल एक और एक ही इमेज है. B has one and only one image in B. Again see, here is a set A and this is a set B. Here is elements 1, 2, 3. 1 is related to A. This 2 is also related to A. And this 3 is related to B. This 3 is related to B. So what I am saying? 1 is related to A. Image of 1 is A. Image of 1 is A. Image of 2 is also A. And image of 3 is B. So we are saying that each element of A has an image in B. A के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के लिए B में इमेज है, तो हम लोग कहेंगे f such that A tends to B is a function. F such that A tends to B is a function. So f जो होगा A से B का फंक्शन होगा, where f is a rule by which each element of A has unique image in B. F such that A tends to B is a function. Again see another example. Here is a set A and its element is again 1, 2, 3. And here is another set B. Its element is A, B, C. 1 is image of A and 2 is image of B. 2 has an image B. And we are also saying that this B and 3 has also 3 has also image of B. 3 has also an image and here is an element 4. So what are we seeing? Here 1 has image A, 2 has image B, and 3 has image C. But here is element 4 which has no image in B. यहाँ पर एक सदस्य A में 4 है जिसका B में कोई भी इमेज नहीं है. So we can say that here if such that A tends to B is not function. Not function. Why not function? Because each element of A, because 4 has no image in B. Because 4 has no image in B. 4 का B में कोई भी इमेज नहीं है तो हम लोग कहेंगे 4 जो होगा इसका फंक्शन नहीं होगा. See the definition. Definition is each element of A has one and only one image of B. A के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का कम से कम B में एक इमेज होना चाहिए. एक से ज्यादा हो सकता है, कम से कम एक तो होना ही चाहिए. Another example. Here is a set A and again here is a set B. Set A has elements 1, 2, 3 and set B has element A, B. Set B has element A, B. Now see the example. A is a set, 1 has image A, 1 has image A, and 2 has image B, and 2 has image B, and these 2 have also an image C, and 3 have also image D. So you can say that 1 has image A, 2 has image B, 2 has image C, and 3 has image D. So what are seeing here? We are seeing here that A has an element A. Here we can say that here if such that A tends to B is not function. Why not function? Because 2 has two image. 2 has two image B and C in B. क्योंकि यहाँ देखिए 2 का यहाँ पर दो इमेज है, 2 का इमेज B भी है, 2 का इमेज C भी है. That means we can say that if such that A tends to B is not a function because 2 contains two elements which has image B and C. And after that our third definition is one function. Next definition is our one function. We have to define one function which is also known as injective function. One function is a function f such that A tends to B is called one function or injective function if image of distinct element of A. Here see here image of distinct element of A के प्रत्येक सदस्य का इमेज अंडर F is distinct वो अलग अलग होना चाहिए. See here example. Here is a set B, here is set A and here is set B. Its element is 1, 2, 3. 1 is associated with A, 2 is associated with B, 3 is associated with D, and here is an element C. So we can say that 1 is associated with A, 2 is associated of B, and 3 is associated with D. So image of 1, 2, 3 are A, C, and A, B, and D. A, B, and D. So we can say that each element of A has one and only one image in B. So this is called one function. So this is called one function. See another example. Here is the set A and here is again set B. Elements of set A is 1, 2, 3 or element of set B has E, F, G. Not E, F, G, B, C, D. Element of D is B, C, D. So if 1 is associated with B, 2 is associated with C, and 3 is associated with D. So we can say 1C, 1B, 2C, and 3D. So 1 has image B, 2 has image C under F. Here function is F, and 3 has function image of the function D. So 1, 2, 3 all elements of A has image B. Difference between these two. What is difference between here is the element C which is not associated with any element of B. So both the case are example of one function because each element of A has distinct element in B. A के प्रत्येक सदस्य के लिए B में distinct image है. So we can say if such that A tends to B is here one function. If such that A tends to B is here one function. And after that many one function. A function if such that A tends to B is called many one function if the image of distinct element of A under F is not distinct. A function f such that A tends to B is called many one function if image of distinct element of A under F is not distinct. What is saying this? Here is a set A. Its element is 1, 2, 3. Here is a set B. Its element is A, B, C. 1 is associated with A, 2 is again associated with A, and 3 is associated with B. So 1A, 2A, and 3B. So what is this difference between these two? Here one has an element which has two images, A and 2 has also image A. So 1 and 2 both have the same image. So we can say that this is example of a many one function. Why? Because see here image of distinct element of A के अलग-अलग एलिमेंट का इमेज अंडर F इस नियम F के अंतर्गत इज नॉट डिस्टिंक्ट, अलग-अलग नहीं है. यहाँ पर एक ही इमेज है, A का भी इमेज है और B का भी, दो का भी इमेज है. So we can say that this is example of a many one function. Again see another example. Here A is a set and B is a set. Its element is 1, 2, 3. And this is your set C, and this is your D, and B is also associated with D. This is your function F. So we can say that 1 is associated with C, 2 has image D, and 3 has image D. So here 2 and 3 both have the same image. 2 and 3 both have same image. Image D, both have same image D. So we can say that if such that A tends to B is many one function. If such that A tends to B is a many one function. Why many one? Because each element of A has in B same image. A के कुछ ऐसे भी सदस्य हैं जिनका B में same image है. So this is example of a many one function. Hello student. Here is another function, one onto function, which is also called surjective function. Its definition is a function f such that A tends to B is said to be onto function if element of B, see here element of B is the image of some element of A under F. For all y belongs to B, there exists an element x in A such that fx is equal to y. See here example. Here is a set A and another set B, and its element is 1, 2, 3. Its element is A, B, C. So elements of B, A has 2 and this is your 3. So we can say that 1 has image A, 2 has image B, and 3 has image C. But in the here it is saying that element of B, B के प्रत्येक element के लिए ए में एक इमेज होना चाहिए। बी का एलिमेंट क्या है? ए बी सी। एलिमेंट ऑफ बी ए बी सी एंड ए एलिमेंट ऑफ इफ ए इज, ए का प्री इमेज क्या है? 1, बी का प्री इमेज 2, प्री इमेज ऑफ सी इज 3, so we can say that every element of B has pre image in A, so we can say if such that A tends to B, if such that A tends to B is a onto function, is a onto function, this is a onto function, A such that A to B is a onto function. See another example, here is a set A and here is another set B. Its element is 1, 2, 3 and its element is A, B, C, and this is 1 and this is associated with 1 and this is associated with B. So we can say 1A, 2B, 2A and 3B. See here, elements of B, A has two images, pre-image 1 and 2. A has 1 and 2 and element of B has an element image 3. So we can say that here also if such that A tends to B is onto function. Onto function. So this is example of previous example. This is example of one function and this is example of many one function. So what is onto function? Can we calculate here? In onto function we are seeing that every element of B has pre image in A. We can say that for onto function, every element of B, has pre image in A. Pre image in A. Every element of B has pre-image in A. B के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का A में pre-image होना चाहिए। Main thing is what? B के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का A में pre-image होना चाहिए। So this is your, अगर आप इधर से इधर जा रहे हैं, this is your image. अगर आप वापस आ रहे हैं, this is your pre-image. And after that last is your 1 1 onto function. 1 1 onto function. Last type of your function is 1 1 onto function, which is also called bijective function. Which is also called bijective function. 1 1 onto function, which is also called bijective function. A function f such that एक function f such that A tends to B is called 1 1 onto function. In bracket you may also write bijective function. If it follow, it hold or it follow both properties. First, f is 1 1. Second, f is onto. That means if a function is made such type that every element of A and B has three images in A. See the example. See here the example. So what we are saying that in the example, see here. This is the example. Here every element of A has three images in B. So we can say one has 1A, 2B and 3C. 1A, 2B and 3C. Every element of A के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के लिए B में प्री इमेज है, B में इमेज है और B के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का प्री इमेज A, B, C इन तीनों का प्री इमेज, A का प्री इमेज 1, B का प्री इमेज 2, C का प्री इमेज 3, B के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का प्री इमेज A में अगर ऊपर मौजूद है, so we can say that here if such that A tends to B is called 1 1 and onto function. 1 1 1 1 onto function. 1 1 onto function. Or this also may call that this is also called bijective function. It is also called bijective function. Bijective function. This is also called bijective function. Here is some example. Watch it and ask me which function is 1 1, which is onto function, and which is 1 1 and onto both function. Check the first example. First example is its element is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here A, B, C. So here you can say that 1 has image A, 2 has image B, 3 has image C. But here is an element 4 which has no image in B. So we can say that here if such that A tends to B is not a function. This is not a function. Once again check. Here is an element 4 in set A which has no image in B. So we can say that if such that A tends to B is not a function. Again see here. Here is 1 is related to A and 1 is also image B and 2 is of image C. So what we are seeing that this element of A in this set A has a element 1 which has 2 image in B. So here we can say that 1 has 2 image in B, 2 image in B. So what is its meaning? It means if such that A tends to B is again not a function. Not a function. So here from this example you can know this. This is the two cases in which you can examine the given example or function or not. And after that see here. Here 1 has image A, 2 has image B, 3 has image C. And all elements of A has image. But here in set B, here is element D which has no pre-image. So no problem. This type of example is called if all elements of A has unique image in B. So we can say if the such that A tends to B is called 1 1 function. This is example of 1 1 function, and 1 1 function is called injective function. 1 1 function. And again see here. Simply the difference between these two example is here is an element D, but here D is not present. So here we can say 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, and 3 is related to C. So here we can say that if such that A tends to B is also 1 1 function. 1 1 function. This is also 1 1 function. After that, watch here. Here 1 has element A, 2 is related to again A, and 3 is related to B. So each element of A is an element of B. So this is a function. But watch here, 1 has 2 image. 1 has image A and 2 has also image A. So this is example of here. If such that A tends to B is called many one function. This is example of many one function. And in this example, this is your example number 5, this is your 6, and this is your 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is your 5, here 6, here 7, and this is your 8. In example number 6, 1 is 1, 2 has A and 3 has B. But watch here, difference between these two is what? Here is an element C which has no pre-image, but here is no element. So this is also example of here such that A tends to B is many one function. This is many one function. Many one function. And after last example, here see, this is 1, 2, 3, here A, B, C. This is your 1 1 function, this is your many one function. Here see, all elements of A. 1 has element image A, 2 has element B, and 3 has image C. And all elements of B also present a pre-image in A. बी के सारे एलिमेंट का प्री इमेज ए में है, सो हियर वी कैन से दैट if such that a tends to b is 1 1 1 1 1 1 function, and again also what no element of b is here which has pre image in a, b में कोई ऐसा एलिमेंट नहीं है जिसका प्री इमेज a में नहीं हो, so you can say if such that a tends to b is, this is also onto function. So here we can say that if we add these two, so we can say that if such that a tends to b is 1 1 and onto function, 1 1 and onto function, and if a function is 1 1 and onto, it is called bijective function. It is called bijective function. So watch from this example and this example, no difference. These two examples, watch here, no difference. So this is also example of bijective function. This is also example of bijective function. Bijective function are those functions which follow 1 1 property and also onto property. So how you can define onto property, a function is following or not? Every element of B has pre image in A. This is also a onto function, but this is called many one onto function, which is not we have to read in 12th syllabus. And after that, see here 1 is related to C, 2 is related to D, and 3 is related to D. 1 is related to C, 2 is related to D, same like this function. This is also example of here f such that a tends to B is called many one onto function. But in our CBSE syllabus, many one onto function we have to not read. We have to read only one onto function. So this is example of when a function is not a, when the given example is not a function. This is example of one function. That is the example of many one function. And for onto function, what means? Every element of B has pre image in A. B के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के लिए A में प्री इमेज होना चाहिए. Then we can say that if such that A tends to be is onto function. So this is example of 1 1 and onto function. So watch here, for 1 1 and onto function, number of element in A is equal to number of element of B. 1 1 और onto function के लिए number of element A का और B का दोनों क्या होना चाहिए? समान होना चाहिए. So dear student, if you feel any problem in the definition of these examples, so you may ask in my comment section. Thank you, and from next class we will solve problem based on this exercise.